Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and I wanted to do a speed test and a quick update on AT&T Internet Air. This is their 5G home internet with the gateway, no wires. This isn't cable, this isn't DSL, this isn't satellite. This is 5G cellular home internet. I've done a few videos. I'm working on getting a playlist going here. I want to, in the future, do a little more in depth. Now, this is a backup service for me, so I'm not using it like crazy. But what I will say is everything has been consistent. I haven't had any dropouts. I haven't had any like massive congestion or deprioritization issues. So far it's working as expected. There is the speed test feature here in app, which I usually don't use this one as much. I just prefer the straight speedtest.net app. But we'll go ahead while I'm talking and let this one run, and then I'll try just the regular speed test. This one takes forever too. So it's about you can't see it up here, but it says 2:49 in the afternoon. So it's not like peak congestion or anything, but 269 megabits download. That is more than enough to do anything. The only place you would lose is like if you're downloading a large game or just a file or something. That gigabit still is a little better, but there's no need to complain. The 24 megabits upload is good too. Now that was more the gateway test. We'll see what it is with the iPad here. I do have the gateway in the living room by a window. On AT&T's gateway, there's only 4 bars or 4 LEDs that indicate your signal strength. I believe right now, last I checked, I was on 3. Sometimes they'll even drop to 2, but I've never really noticed any issue with speed, whether it's 2, 3, or 4 of the lights on. Ideally, though, it's still not perfect, but it's more than enough. So you can see their version here is just broken down a little bit more, but we'll go ahead and you can see I am connected to the Wi-Fi. My other one's T-Mobile. I just named it Starlink to be cute. But let's go ahead. Now the server it connected me to is in Akron, Ohio. I'm closer to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, so that will give me a little more lag or latency, but that's actually quite a low ping. Usually AT&T's been around 50, so mid-30s, that's an improvement. You can see the speeds here are about the same. But the upload tends to be pretty bad. Now, closer to 10, that's fine, but when it's down in the single digits, that's a recurring theme, does tend to have a higher ping, does tend to have a lower upload speed than T-Mobile home internet for me. I'll just run one more, but at the $60 price point a month, I'm having no issues. I'm having no complaints. This is, in my area, a viable option. So for you, you might want to research the other carriers: Verizon 5G home internet, T-Mobile 5G home internet, AT&T Internet Air. Right now, Verizon, you can't get their home internet, but T-Mobile and AT&T, for me, they're pretty comparable, and they're about the same on the price. They're basically the same concept. So I can obviously get more in-depth in a future video, but for right now, that's the quick look 2 months in. This is what I tend to expect. This is basically what I get. I'm satisfied with it. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know, and then I can make another video answering them. But I am going to come back and talk a little more in depth coming up here soon. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Have a good one.